Hey, this is Papa from StreetFighterTradingSystem.com. Alright guys, I would like to start a new playlist called Started from the Bottom, Now We're Here. On this series, I would like to show you the steps that you need to take to help you on your learning process. As there is many videos that are on this YouTube channel, you must start to get a little bit confused on where to start. Right, so on the first video of introduction, I want to show you a macro view of what you should do when you are just starting. So over here, I created like an Excel spreadsheet with a chart, okay? And on this chart, on the x-axis, I have the years of hard work learning how to trade. And on the y-axis, I have consistent on winning dollars, right? So as you can see over here, on the contrary of a lot of YouTube videos that you will see showing you like a get rich quickly scam, I would say that it's the exact reverse, right? So if your goal is to actually win a Lamborghini or be Akuma, the best Street Fighter player, it's going to take you a lot of years, right? To actually be consistent and winning and be able to buy yourself a Lamborghini, okay? Here it is, I'm showing also where I think I am. So I've been trading since 2 years. I started trading cryptocurrencies, and the theory that I'm explaining you is the Shoryu can, right? So as of today, I'm able to win some money. I'm not winning like 100% of the time when I swing trade, but I have a percentage that is good enough to make me win consistently, right? So now the burning question is, where do you think you are on this chart? Okay, are you over here? Are you maybe here? Are you over here? Well, the answer is not even displayed on the screen. You need to go at the very bottom to see where you are. That means you are in the negative. Today you don't know anything, right? But it's okay. We all start over here. So I think that the step where you are is, if you do an analogy with Street Fighter, you are at the character selection. Okay, so you are just starting to select your character, and you are interested. Okay, so if I zoom a little bit, you are interested in and curious about what trading is all about, right? Probably because you either want to educate yourself or you want to see how you can make another source of income, right? So, which is fair. I think it's a good point to have, and it's good to be curious and interested, okay? So the next step that you have to take, right, is to try to find like a strategy that you can use so that you can start seeing if it works or not, right? Of course, there is many ways of trading the market, right? And there's a lot of people who scams also on how to and teach you for a lot of money how to lose your money. Okay, what I propose you on my YouTube channel is one way of looking at the market, and I use it most of the time for scalping, right? I am a swing trader, but the lesson that I teach to you is scalping methodology, meaning methodologies where you have to trade intraday and take quick wins and quick trades. Okay? I don't say that it's the best one, but this is where you can start. So if you are on my YouTube channel, I guess that you're willing to take a look at the lessons that I'm giving to you. So it's a good step. So start with maybe one of the lesson video. Step 2, I don't know why I call it step 3. I missed one step. So step 2 is actually to be able to train yourself. Once you have a strategy, you need to have a trading platform to train yourself, right? So I will show you on the next video basically some trading platform that you can use for free in order for you to train yourself, okay? Once the next step is, once you train yourself, right? You see the setups and so on. Then you can start going live, but not with real money, right? It will be crazy to lose your money, like just because you are not ready yet to reach that level, right? If you really want to play money, you really need to first understand the setup, train yourself over and over again, and look and put your mistakes on a trading log, right? again, it's not yet, you are not yet ready to go live. The next step should be start again with an account, a fake account, put like, generally some platform offer you like $10,000 or $1,500. And then the idea is for you to try to double it or triple it, right? If you are able to do that, right? If you are able to follow all those steps, so you have a strategy, you have trained yourself on the trading platform just by looking at what are the setups. You have tried using paper money to go live and see what's happening, right? Trading and looking at your mistakes. Third, you are able to double or triple your paper money account. Then you can start going live, right? But if you haven't done all those steps, I guarantee you that you will be losing money, and that's not the goal, right? As I say to you and to many people, trading is not a sprint but a marathon, meaning that to be able to be a real winner, you have to be consistent and winning every month, every year, every single time you play. It's not a one win schema, right? Of course, when you trade, some people that are beginning, we call it the beginner's luck. They will come, they will not know anything, and then they will maybe reach like I don't know, $1,000 in one day, right? But on the very next day, they will lose $3,000, and this is not what we want. Okay. So yeah, I think that with the course video that I've given you and the lessons, and if you follow those steps really closely, you will be able to reach like a Hadouken level, and at least be able to win a little bit consistently. Okay, I don't promise you 100% win rate, but you will be able to at least not be random and not protect your money. Okay, so that's it for this video. I think what I want to do on the next one is to show you what trading platform I'm using, so that you can start looking at step number 2.